Good day to each and everyone. Welcome to another segment of Ganap sa Field sa DILG9 with the Local Governance Regional Resource Center and the Local Governance Provincial Regional Center of Zamboanga del Sur. And we are here at the beautiful municipality of Kumalarang. I am your Municipal Local Government Operations Officer. Marion Paul V. Paner will be your news anchor for today's segment.
Good. CY 2025 LTIA assessment for the city and municipalities of Zamboanga del Sur. On March 10 to 14, 2025, Margo sa Tubig, Dinas, Payog, Tigbao, Tambulig, Tumingag, Dumalinaw, Pagadian, and Labangan. 2025 LCPC and LCAT Bausi Functionality Assessment leveling off on March 11, 2025. CY 2025 LCPC and LCAT Bausi Functionality Assessment for the City and Municipalities of Zamboanga del Sur. On March 11 to 14, 2025, Osafena, Mulave, Tabina, Pitugo, Dumingag, Mahayag, Nimataling, Tinas, Mitsalib, Suminot, Tambulig, Ramon Magsaysay, San Miguel, and Lapuyan. The DILG Zamboanga del Sur joins the 2025 Quarterly National Simultaneous Earthquake Drill or NSED on March 13, 2025. CY 2025 Lupong Tagapamayapa Incentives Awards or LTIA Assessment Final Calibration on March 14, 2025. The DILG Zamboanga del Sur Provincial Office joins the 2025 National and Local Elections Interfaith Prayer Rally and Peace Covenant Signing on March 15, 2025. DILG PDMU. PDMU Engineers, Engineer John Edward Obardo, and Engineer Rome Oliver Perez, together with MLGOO Amelia Fernandez of Lapuyan, conducted site inspection and monitoring of the improvement of Bulawan to Sayog Farm to Market Road with 3-barrel box culvert under DTI Rabbit Road on March 10, 2025. DILG Dumingag Field Office. 2025 SGLGB on-site assessment on Barangay Lower and Upper Landing, Barangay Sunok, Barangay Lipawan, Barangay Bukayan, and Barangay New Basak on March 12 to 14, 2025. DILG Labangan Field Office. MLGOO Jerome Lloyd Ugawan joined the barangay treasurers in the meeting and discussed the various issues and concerns on March 12, 2025. MLGOO Jerome Lloyd Ugawan rendered assistance to the LTIA of Barangay Upper Pulacan during the 2025 LTIA Provincial Validation on March 13, 2025. DILG Ramon Magsaysay Field Office joins the Unity Walk and Peace Covenant signing on March 10, 2025. DILG Ramon Magsaysay Field Office oath-taking ceremony of 8 new barangay IPMRs on March 12, 2025. DILG Ramon Magsaysay Field Office joins Purple Wednesday on March 12, 2025. The DILG Ramon Magsaysay Field Office actively participates in NSED First Quarter 2025 on March 13, 2025. DILG San Pablo Field Office Unity Walk, Interfaith Prayer Rally, Candidates Briefing and Signing of Peace Covenant on March 11, 2025. DILG Gipos Field Office Local Climate Change Action Plans or LCCAP updating on March 12 to 14, 2025.
That's it. And dyan po nagtatapos ang ating weekly Ganap sa Field at sponsored ito by, of course, our Local Governance Regional Resource Center and the Local Governance Provincial Resource Center. At huwag niyo pong kaligtaan na i-follow kami sa Facebook page namin sa aming DILG Zamboanga del Sur at DILG Region 9. #SurPassTheLimit.